Welcome to English Together, where confidence grows one conversation at a time. I'm Melissa, and today we're going to learn one of the biggest differences between sounding correct and sounding natural. Have you ever pronounced every word correctly, but someone still asked you to repeat yourself? If that has happened to you, it may not be your pronunciation at all. It may be your word stress. Native English speakers don't just pronounce words, we naturally make one part of the word stronger than others. We don't usually think about it, we learned it by hearing English for years. Today I'm going to show you how it works, and by the end of this lesson you'll have a simple way to practice it every day. Let's start with a question. Which syllable is stronger in the word banana? Is it banana, banana, or banana? The correct answer is banana. Listen to it again. Banana. The middle syllable is stronger. It's a little stronger, a little louder, a little longer, and a little clearer. The other syllables become softer. Try it with me. Banana. Again, banana. One more time. Banana. Now let's try another word. Computer. Listen carefully. Computer, not computer, and not computer. Computer. Your turn. Computer. Again, computer. Let's do a few more together. Hotel. Your turn. Hotel. Vacation. Vacation. Your turn. Vacation. Important. Your turn. Important. Conversation. Your turn. Conversation. Do you notice something? If you stress the wrong syllable, native speakers can usually still understand you, but your English immediately sounds less natural. That's because native speakers are listening for the rhythm of English just as much as the individual sounds. Now let's talk about why this matters. Imagine someone says the word computer, and you understand it, but your brain notices something feels unusual. Now hear this. Computer. It sounds comfortable because that's the rhythm your brain expects. Think about music. If every note is played with the same volume and the same sounds flat, and the song sounds flat, but when some notes are stronger than others, the music comes alive. English works the same way. It has rhythm. Now we're going to practice hearing word stress. I'm going to say two versions of a word. One will sound natural, the other one won't. See if you can hear the difference. First word, comfortable. Comfortable. The natural pronunciation is comfortable. The next one, information. Information. The natural pronunciation is information, with the may part with the stress. Next, America, or America. The natural pronunciation is America, with the stress at the beginning. If you didn't hear every difference, don't worry, your ears are learning something new. The more you listen, the easier it becomes. Now let's move from individual words to complete sentences. Listen to this sentence. I bought a new computer yesterday. When I say it naturally, one word stands out. I bought a new computer yesterday. Repeat after me. I bought a new computer yesterday. Excellent. Now this one. We're going on a vacation next month. Remember the K part. That's the stress. Your turn. Very good. Now here's something many learners don't know. Word stress and sentence stress are different. Inside a word, one syllable is stronger. Inside a sentence, one word is usually stronger. Listen, I didn't say he stole the money. Now listen again. I didn't say he stole the money. The words are exactly the same, but the meaning changes depending on which word I stress. That's one of the reasons English can sound so expressive. Now, let's practice together. Don't just repeat me. Feel the rhythm. Ready? Banana. Computer. Conversation. Vacation. Important. Excellent. Now, let's use them in sentences. I love eating bananas. My computer is getting old. We had a wonderful conversation. Our vacation starts next week. That's an important question. Wonderful. Now, let's talk about one mistake I hear all the time. Many English learners try to pronounce every syllable with exactly the same strength because they're concentrating on saying every sound correctly. That's understandable, but natural English isn't flat. It has hills and valleys. Some syllables are strong. Some are soft. If you try to make every syllable equally important, your English can sound robotic, even when every sound is correct. Instead of trying to pronounce every syllable perfectly, focus on making the stressed syllable stand out. That's one small change that can make a huge difference. Before we finish, I want to give you something you can practice today. Choose 5 new English words. Look them up in an online dictionary. Most dictionaries show the stressed syllable. Say each word 5 times while exaggerating the stress. Don't worry about sounding silly. Exaggeration is one of the fastest ways to train your ears and your mouth. After a few days, you won't need to exaggerate anymore. The rhythm will begin to feel natural. Remember, no one expects you to sound like a native speaker overnight. Your goal isn't perfection. Your goal is to become easier to understand and more confident every time you speak. Every conversation helps your ears recognize the rhythm of English a little better. Every practice session helps your mouth build new habits. That's how confidence grows. So, conversation challenge. Today, choose 5 new English words that you use often. Find the stressed syllable for each word and practice saying them out loud 5 times each. Then use at least one of those words in a real conversation. Come back and tell me in the comments which words you practiced and whether anyone noticed a difference. Remember, confidence doesn't grow by watching videos. It grows one conversation at a time. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing your confidence one conversation at a time. If you'd like to get more practice speaking English, contact me at EnglishTogetherHub.com and we can practice English together.